Hi guys, welcome to Amazing Chiang Mai. The channel shows you the amazing of Chiang Mai. Now we're still in Roi Et and today we visit the Tham Soda Waterfall and I will show you around in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So now we're down here at the waterfall, and since it's just the start of the rainy season, there isn't actually any water right here, except for just a little bit. So that was the Tham Soda Waterfall. Not a lot of water right now, but very nice place. I can imagine it being even better when there's a lot of water. But anyways, thank you very much for watching today's episode of Amazing Chiang Mai, the channel that shows you the amazing of Chiang Mai. Still from Roi Et. And if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe and share. And we'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.